Hello everyone. In recent years, hunting organizations have proliferated across the United States, offering a structured approach to hunting and conservation. Wild boar hunting, in particular, has gained popularity due to the significant damage these animals cause. With a population exceeding 9 million, wild boars are not just a nuisance, but a serious threat to agriculture and urban landscapes. What damage have wild boars caused in America, and what methods do hunters use to demonstrate their abilities? Come find out with us, and don't forget to leave a comment with the number 1 to show your excitement. Wild boars cause an estimated $2.05 billion in damages annually across the United States, affecting both agricultural and urban areas. Their destructive habits, such as rooting and trampling, wreak havoc on. According to the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department, feral pigs cause over $120 in damage to Texas agriculture annually. In the Brazos Valley, farmers have reported significant losses in soybean and cornfields due to wild boar activity. These animals dig up crops and damage irrigation systems, leading to costly repairs and reduced. In Oahu, residents in neighborhoods like Pacific Heights have faced severe wild boar infestations. These animals forage in gardens, roam streets, and pose traffic hazards. The issue has become so severe that local communities have coordinated with hunting groups to manage the population and mitigate risks. Have you or someone you know experienced issues with wild boars in urban areas? Share your stories with us. In states like Texas, with a wild boar population of around 3 million, hunters have employed innovative methods to manage these invasive animals. One such method is helicopter hunting, which combines aerial surveillance with hunting to effectively reduce wild boar numbers. But what makes this approach so effective, and what are the regulations governing it? Helicopter hunting allows hunters to cover large areas quickly and access remote terrains where wild boars are commonly found. This method is highly effective as it enables rapid detection and culling of boar populations. The ability to reach difficult terrains means that hunters can address boar populations in areas that are otherwise inaccessible, making this method a comprehensive solution to the wild boar problem. To legally hunt wild boars from the air, hunters need specific permits from the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. The helicopter hunting license ensures that hunting activities are conducted legally and ethically. This regulatory framework is essential to balance the necessity of population control with ethical hunting practices. Have you ever considered the impact of regulatory frameworks on hunting practices? How important do you think these regulations are in maintaining ethical standards in hunting? In the realm of commercial helicopter hunting services, companies like Helibacon in Texas have carved out a niche by offering a comprehensive and professional approach to wild boar control. These companies provide all the necessary equipment, including helicopters designed for hunting, high-powered rifles with scopes, and advanced communication devices. Additionally, they employ trained pilots and professional guides to ensure that each hunting expedition is both successful and safe. Helibacon boasts high success rates and offers detailed safety and shooting instructions to all participants, making the experience not only thrilling but also meticulously managed. Have you ever considered participating in a commercial hunting service like Helibacon? What aspects of such an experience appeal to you the most? In addition, the specialized gear required for aerial hunting is crucial to the success and safety of these operations. Helicopters are equipped specifically for hunting, allowing for precise and effective targeting of wild boars from the air. Hunters are outfitted with high-powered rifles with scopes, enabling them to make accurate shots even while in motion. Communication devices ensure that all members of the hunting crew can coordinate effectively, maintaining safety and efficiency throughout the hunt. Furthermore, safety protocols are a cornerstone of helicopter hunting, ensuring that both the hunting crew and the public are protected. These protocols begin with thorough pre-hunt surveys to assess the hunting area and plan the route. Coordination with landowners is also essential to secure access to private lands where wild boars are located. Strict adherence to all regulatory requirements is maintained, highlighting the commitment to safety and legal compliance. Would you consider participating in helicopter hunting, or do you think there are better methods for controlling wild boar populations? Share your thoughts. Despite the effectiveness of helicopter hunting, it is an expensive endeavor. The costs associated with renting helicopters, fuel, and equipment can be prohibitive. Additionally, environmental concerns and objections from animal rights groups regarding the ethics of aerial hunting have prompted the exploration of alternative methods. One such method is the use of cage traps. Cage traps have become a popular and effective method for controlling wild boar populations. These traps are constructed from heavy-duty steel and feature one-way doors that close securely once the boars enter. Some designs are circular with multiple doors, allowing for the capture of several animals at once. The sturdy construction ensures that the traps remain in place, preventing the boars from toppling or moving them. One of the key strategies in using cage traps is proper baiting. Corn or other attractants are commonly placed inside the traps to lure the boars in. Initially, a small amount of bait is placed outside the trap to entice the animals to approach. Once they are near, the main bait inside ensures that they fully enter the trap before the door closes behind them. This method increases the chances of capturing the boars effectively. Besides, regular monitoring of these traps is crucial to ensure the well-being of the captured animals and to maintain the efficiency of the trapping process. Ideally, traps should be checked daily to promptly address any animals that have been caught. This reduces the stress on the boars and prevents escape attempts. Surveillance cameras can also be used to keep an eye on trap locations, providing a way to monitor activity without constant physical checks. What do you think about the use of surveillance cameras in wildlife management? Do you believe it enhances the efficiency of methods like cage trapping, or are there other technologies that could be more effective? In particular, managing wild boar populations effectively requires not only capturing these animals but also ensuring their safe handling and transportation. Captured boars can be dangerous and unpredictable, necessitating the use of appropriate tools and protective gear. Handling tools such as catching poles are essential to manage the boars safely, preventing injury to both the animals and the handlers. Moreover, a well-thought-out plan for safely transporting the boars is crucial, particularly if the goal is to relocate them to another area. Have you ever been involved in capturing or relocating wild animals? What safety measures did you find most effective? In the United States is grappling with a severe monkey invasion that is wreaking havoc on its cities and local communities. This invasive monkey species is responsible for causing significant damage, estimated at $75 million USD annually. The pervasive presence of these wild monkeys poses not only an economic burden, but also a substantial challenge to the safety and well-being of residents, necessitating urgent and effective solutions to address this escalating problem. The presence of these wild animals in residential areas has disrupted the sense of safety and normalcy in communities. Monkeys often intrude into homes, causing distress and fear among the inhabitants. This constant threat of unexpected encounters inside their own living spaces has left many residents feeling vulnerable and on edge, further exacerbating the overall stress within these affected communities. The presence of wild monkeys in Texas has led to significant traffic and public safety issues, with the animals frequently causing congestion on city streets. This not only disrupts the flow of traffic, but also increases the risk for drivers and pedestrians, as sudden monkey activity can lead to accidents. The The problem has persisted for a long time, highlighting the need for effective and lasting solutions. Without intervention, the situation is likely to continue, posing ongoing challenges for urban management and community safety. Addressing these issues requires comprehensive strategies that balance public safety with humane treatment of the animals. One effective countermeasure to address the ongoing monkey invasion in Texas is the implementation of solar fence installation technology. This innovative system is designed to deter monkeys from entering protected areas through the use of high-voltage operating on solar power. The fence emits non-lethal shocks upon contact, effectively repelling the monkeys without causing harm. The ultrasonic monkey repellent machines operate by emitting high-frequency sound waves, a mechanism designed to induce discomfort in the auditory and nervous systems of monkeys. Their non-invasive nature makes them an appealing option for addressing monkey infestations, as they do not pose any physical harm to the animals or the environment. The method of spicy food infusion involves adding pungent substances to commonly consumed foods, serving as a temporary deterrent against invasive monkeys. Initially effective, the infusion aims to dissuade monkeys from consuming the treated food due to its spicy taste and smell. However, its temporary effectiveness is overshadowed by the adaptability of the monkeys, who may eventually become accustomed to the spicy flavor and continue seeking out the food source. The iron cage traps designed to address the invasive monkey population in Texas boast a simple yet efficient design. Constructed as rectangular boxes with flat sides, they feature small tubes and doors at both ends, facilitating easy entry for monkeys. The traps operate on an automatic door closure system, ensuring that once a monkey steps inside to access the bait, the door swiftly shuts, securely containing the animal without causing harm. Safety measures are paramount, ensuring that the trapped monkeys remain unharmed while effectively addressing the infestation. These traps utilize food as bait, strategically placing enticing treats such as bananas, carrots, or nuts inside to lure monkeys into the enclosure. This method capitalizes on the natural behavior of monkeys to forage for food, making the traps a reliable and humane solution to mitigate the impact of the invasion on local communities. The Serpent Arms Model 550L shotgun is a powerful hunting tool. highly favored among the Texas hunting community for its remarkable features and versatility. Engineered with precision, this takedown weapon boasts exceptional power, enabling hunters to effectively target monkeys even in the most challenging terrains. However, despite its efficiency, the use of such firearms in monkey hunting raises significant ethical controversies. While proponents argue that it's a necessary measure to control the wild monkey population and mitigate the damage they cause, critics deem it as cruel and unnecessary. Moreover, the annual impact of this hunting method, with an estimated 10,000 monkeys killed each year, underscores the magnitude of its ecological implications and fuels further debate on its ethical and environmental ramifications. While some advocate for the use of firearms such as the Serpent Arms Model 550 LA shotgun as an effective means of population control, others question the ethical implications of killing wild monkeys. There's a delicate balance to be struck between the necessity of managing the monkey population to mitigate damages and the ethical concerns regarding the humane treatment of these animals. Diverse community opinions further complicate the matter, with some emphasizing the importance of finding humane solutions that prioritize the well-being of the monkeys, while others prioritize effectiveness in addressing the issue at hand. Let's continue this conversation together and stay informed about developments in addressing this pressing issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for further updates on this important topic. Your participation matters in shaping the future of wildlife management in Texas. Iowa's vast cornfields, covering 16.7 million acres or about 30% of the state's land area, create an abundant food source that significantly impacts the local deer population. This rich food supply, coupled with Iowa's temperate climate, provides an ideal environment for deer to thrive. Consequently, the deer population has surged, presenting both opportunities and challenges for farmers and the ecosystem. Join me as we explore these intricate relationships and their implications in this farm documentary. Iowa's deer population, estimated at 350,000, has doubled in recent years, driven by favorable environmental conditions like abundant cornfields and a temperate climate. Historically introduced to the U.S. in the 16th century, deer have adapted well, but their rapid growth now poses significant challenges for farmers due to crop damage and economic losses. As herbivores, deer pose a persistent threat to these crops by eating corn plants, trampling seedlings, and dispersing feces and urine, which can lead to reduced crop yields and pollution of land. This damage translates into significant economic losses, estimated at up to $250 a million and affecting approximately 2 million acres of agricultural land. The above challenge highlights the need for effective management strategies to protect agricultural productivity and sustainability. In Iowa, hunting season spans from October to November, a period strategically chosen to manage deer populations effectively. To participate, hunters must obtain a hunting license, which costs $25 for residents and $50 for non-residents, with each license being valid for 1 year. One of the most advantageous techniques is bow hunting, where hunters climb trees to get a better view and maintain safety from potential deer attacks. By using bows from reputable brands such as Hoyt, Matthews, and Bear, hunters can shoot accurately from elevated positions, reducing the risk of being spotted by deer. This method requires high observation skills, ensuring the hunter can spot deer from afar and shoot with precision to make accurate shots. Additionally, bow and arrow safety is paramount to avoiding accidents and ensuring a successful hunt. By mastering these techniques, hunters can effectively control deer populations, thereby protecting crops and minimizing agricultural loss. This enhanced vantage point not only improves the ability to spot deer from a distance, but also ensures safety from potential deer attacks, as being higher up reduces the risk of close encounters with these animals. Additionally, the strategic advantage offered by such heights facilitates more accurate shooting, ensuring that arrows or bullets reach their target precisely, thereby reducing unnecessary suffering and ensuring humane practices. Moreover, positioning oneself above ground level minimizes detection by deer, who are less likely to notice or be alarmed by human presence when it is out of their usual line of sight. If you agree with this method of deer population management, please comment with the number 1. If you disagree, comment with the number 0. Thank you for your input. Leg traps are mechanical devices designed to grip the leg of a deer as it steps on them, typically placed in forested areas adjacent to crop fields to mitigate deer-induced damage to crops such as corn and soybeans. However, this method is not without significant controversy and criticism. Animal welfare advocates highlight the substantial pain and injury that these traps can inflict on deer, often resulting in severe distress or even death. The Iowa Department of Natural Resources has acknowledged the limited effectiveness of leg traps in controlling the deer population and is considering a potential ban on their use. Hope you enjoyed this insight into Iowa's deer population and its impact on agriculture. If you liked this farm documentary, comment, like, and subscribe for more. Your feedback is invaluable, so share your thoughts below. Sharing this video with friends helps us reach more people. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.